Crop improvement is the science of modifying plant genetic makeup to enhance desirable traits and create new varieties that are better suited for specific purposes. It's a crucial field that addresses challenges like food security, climate change, and sustainable agriculture. Here's a breakdown of key aspects: goals of crop improvement: increased yield, developing varieties that produce more food per unit area; enhanced nutritional value, increasing the content of essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins in crops; improved disease and pest resistance, creating varieties that are less susceptible to pests and diseases, reducing the need for pesticides; enhanced stress tolerance, developing varieties that can withstand environmental stresses like drought, heat, and salinity; improved quality, enhancing traits like flavor, texture, and shelf life; adaptation to specific environments, creating varieties that are well suited to different climates and soil conditions. Methods of crop improvement: traditional breeding. This involves selecting and crossing plants with desirable traits and then selecting the best offspring. It relies on natural variation within plant populations. Mutation breeding. This involves inducing mutations in plant DNA using radiation or chemicals to create new genetic variation. Genetic engineering biotechnology. This involves directly modifying plant DNA using techniques like gene editing, for example, CRISPR, to introduce or modify specific traits. This allows for the introduction of genes from other organisms. Marker-assisted selection (MAS). This uses DNA markers to identify plants with desirable genes, speeding up the breeding process. Tissue culture and micropropagation. These techniques allow for the rapid propagation of plants with desirable traits. Polyploidy breeding, increasing the number of chromosome sets within a plant to create new varieties. Importance of crop improvement: food security. Crop improvement is essential for increasing food production to meet the demands of a growing global population. Sustainable agriculture, developing varieties that require fewer inputs, for example, pesticides, fertilizers, and are more resilient to environmental stresses. Climate change adaptation, creating varieties that can withstand the effects of climate change, such as drought and heat. Improved human health, developing varieties with enhanced nutritional value to address malnutrition. Economic benefits: crop improvement can increase agricultural productivity and profitability for farmers. Crop improvement is a continuous process that requires ongoing research and innovation to address the evolving challenges facing agriculture.